Hi everyone, today we are putting the hard-sided pop-up capper with a serious waterproof test. And in just a moment, I'm going inside right now, where we blast it with heavy rain. We'll show you exactly how the TP07B keep you dry. Let's go! Watch closely, this is where most campers usually leak. We have made upgrades to make it super waterproof. The water jet is focusing on the side seams. Listen to that sound. It's like a heavy rain pouring down outside. But inside the TP07B, totally dry. No drops, no leaks, nothing. Every seam and every window is tightly sealed. Touch the walls, dry. Check the ceiling, dry. Our upgrade seals hold up even in heavy rain. It's really restoring. This isn't just staying dry. It's about sleeping well at night. The build quality is really good. No water getting in. Impressive. Test is done, everything is dry. This performance isn't luck. Its enhanced waterproof design comes from its frame structure, sealing materials, and assembly techniques refined through hundreds of tests and adjustments. With it, you can stay dry, comfortable, confident, wherever you camp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.